Hello everybody, welcome to another adventure of Clocks on the Mountain. My name is Cos and I am the Scrambling Dutchman. Today we're out with Rusty and with Rhys and we're about to tackle the Pulpit route of Milestone Buttress. Let's go and see what this V-diff is really about. Pulpit route, here we come. Now this is familiar ground, isn't it? Oh, that was a nice click.
What are you thinking? Gear in that crack?
It's a bit open, but over there maybe on the top.
Right, this gear placing is all going to be one-handed as well, right? Just like you did there.
Happy with that? I'm happy with that.
Oh, amazing, yeah? One-handed because you've got to hold on with the other hand. Yeah. The way I do it, you can look here, Coach, if you like. So I'm holding on with this hand, with my left hand, take the gear off, and I usually use my thumb as a hook. Then I can select which nut I want, put it in. What you've got to do on that road. Comes the high stepper.
Little toe hold over there, lovely. Off like that. What we got over here?
Right.
I'm thinking maybe a
Swing.
There we go.
Yeah, do close it. Yeah.
Good.
Right,
Good.
this is a key runner, right? We are going up here and we're going off that way, okay? If we didn't put a runner in there, what's the rope going to do for you as a second? We're going to be pulling it that way, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to pull him into the tree.
Whenever we do a change in direction, we need to think about keeping the rope above our second. So if we do a change in direction, we need to put a runner in, even if we don't think we need one, just to keep the rope running for your second nicely.
We're going up there.
All the way across there. This is hill walking up here. Right then. Here?
Yeah. Is there anything? Nope. Oh man.
Garlic. Look at all the potholes you got down there. Like,
Yeah. Just trying to get a good hand.
You don't need your hands here. All on your feet.
Right.
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 We're going to belay just up by there.
Yep. Yep.
Right. So we're going to belay underneath the pulpit, right?
Yep.
So go up there and see what you can find. What's the first thing we want to look for in a belay? What do we want to be placing nuts, or would it be better just to stick a sling over a spike if we can?
Sling over a spike if we
Sling over a
can.
spike every time, right? So natural anchors are better than placing gear. So just go up and see what you can conjure up.
Right. Oh. I'd say that's pretty sound.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
Have done that?
No.
Good.
That's it with me. I'm a slow learner, but I want the penny drop.
Bloody hell, it sounds like a pound coin at the moment.
Which piece of gear come out, Goose?
The one you place over here, mate.
Yeah.
So when you're waiting, remember to put it in that back position.
Right, yeah.
So I would reset because your hand's miles back now, isn't it?
Yeah.
You need to get that hook down closer.
When you say reset,
So put your other hand on so you can move your hand closer to the belay device.
like, what do you mean like that?
Yeah, all the time. Every
Right.
time you do a movement. Yeah.
Okay.
Lovely. Climbing third pitch.
Enjoy. This is a lovely pitch there.
Yep. That'd be good. Woohoo! Right. Oh.
So we're going out onto the slab up here and past the holly bush, up to the right of the holly bush. All right.
Ain't going anywhere, I think. Ain't going anywhere.
What sort of extender are you going to put on that then?
I would say a
Yeah, one of them.
alpine.
There we are. Stay cool.
Yeah, I'm cool.
Yeah. Keep moving out left.
Cool as a cucumber, mate.
Good stuff.
Blue or gold? No. But there. I'd say that's pretty banging.
Good. All right.
Yeah.
Smooth.
Yeah. To the right of the holly bush, you said, was
To
it?
the right of the holly bush. To the right of Holly's bush. Okay. Lots of nice little footholds there, look. Ever seen them polished ones?
Yeah. Nice and polished. Actually, what I do want to do.
Nice, thinking about it.
Right?
Hang on, look at the shape of it. Look at the shape, alright? So it's got a taper towards the bottom, isn't it? So like that. Can we get it right in that little hole first? That's alright, isn't it? Yeah? And then we're going up that way. See that way up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're aiming for. Start going off left. Yeah, you don't want to give me climbing up the moss, do we?
No.
Right, in here. Right. Oh, I love it. All over that shit.
Oi.
Right, we need to go. We're going up, and we need to get up onto there and up through that little gap.
Yeah.
All right.
Boom.
Bush. Right.
Bush.
Away you go.
I'll probably put something else in there over there, won't I?
Yeah, you can do. Yep.
Just give that extra protection on that bit.
Yeah.
Boom. Yeah. Nice side pull over there.
Huh?
Nice side pull over there.
Climbing it is definitely easier than doing it like this. Right. All good.
It's got a nice thingy. Yeah.
this is the start.
Ah, I recognise this.
Yeah.
And
Braced up against that rock.
bring them in like that.
Yeah. So we don't need, we can just clove it straight in, can't we?
Can't get any. Drop down a bit.
That's perfect, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, ideal.
Okay, save. Right, how awesome was that? The Pulpit route on Milestone Buttress. Some lovely climbing on that. Nice V-diff. So yeah, if you like this adventure, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, unless you've already done so. Don't forget to check out the members area as well by clicking join. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next adventure. See you later, guys.
I feel like a lion, I'm so strong. Bring me the legacy, I'm so fun. I feel like an energy is going inside my mind. Hey, see, I'm so fun. Come on, let me breathe. Come on, let me breathe. Come on, let me breathe. Let me breathe.